Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Case. Welcome back to my channel and I'm here with
Zano.
You already know, so we're back. We're back. Another video. You already know, so in fact guys, today we're reacting to Soul Jah Love, Ndichafa Rinhi. Yeah. In fact, RIP to Soul Jah Love. He was a ZimDancehall legend. You already know.
So, yeah, first and foremost, RIP.
RIP. Not what's it. So we decided to react to his last song.
I heard I record my song.
I wonder.
Yeah, so I don't know.
So I'm lying, right?
I'm not sure. I'm not even sure. But he had a listeners.
Okay.
So
and subscribe to my boy's channel. The link will be in the description.
Yo.
Yes sir. Let's go. He knew he was dying. He predicted his death there. Sort of like. Yeah. He was sick, but he knew what he went. You get it? Because he was depressed. Like, imagine your life with your twin brother died, right? Then your mother also. Then you see often mkazi Bond Lisa. You get it? So he was depressed and it's sad, heartbreaking. So I think maybe all the time he got depression. So yeah, you get it, right?
Yeah, I get it.
So it's painful, you know. That's what he said.
You can actually hear the expression in his.
Yeah.
Like, so I thought it's real.
Yeah, it's real.
Amanoti wanairikoda na yawa yafungaji.
Obvious.
Kuchimafunga muna jirikoda so so. About total life, you can hear some parts of the song is true.
Yeah, it's true.
Conclusion yonga total into each one.
Yeah.
How do you think they reacted?
Obvious. Because this song, if you listen to this song deep down, also to good some souls. Like it's hard, especially the statement to Mana and Dina in the Ono Digit Twina. You know, it's painful, it's emotional. So yeah, it's hard. His life was hard. I'm telling you, it was hard. I don't know. Hey.
Shua panya kana sada kuimba nini inga ndavatambudza varemerwa daivangonipisa.
Yo,
man, those lyrics are deep, man. Yeah, too deep, man.
yeah, definitely so. Ngachitoro now.
Especially kuti vaindida vachazoya chizochema
Vainditeerera vachanditeerera.
You see,
That's crazy.
that's crazy.
Zvandikutaura kuti wanga vari mustudio naye. Imagine munhu achiimba zvakadaro mustudio. Hautovhundukiri. Vese atoti ari kufa.
Because his last ways hanzi akati chi hanzi azondibata wati statement rare rototi unovhunduka roti iwe as munhu is he crazy or what, but it was true. Hey, that's hard kuti unokura uri street kid then your life you eat after hard food.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. He was one of my favorite artists for you.
I think why people like them because angasina filter. I don't know what
Like man,
and I should have since the sense of it.
Hey, I thought I was one that he had the freedom. You get that? Pani of team is song so. Fancy. Soul Jah Love just chin what just will play you so yeah, my lyrics like my songs like easy. I do tell us. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe. You already know. Just rest in peace to Soul Jah Love. Yeah.
Chibaba.
Chibaba.
Most definitely.
Minu kana waisatera Jah Love, kuti your life here in the sea. To
wanna stem in. But that's it for the video.
That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Yes, sir. It's your boy KC and
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Anandafa toda mukoziva tapinda muguva zvimwe zvamaiudzwa aiwa manyepo apa ndivo futi vatumira mamhepo vave